Hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make a pesto chicken flatbread. Cue the music. Hey, thanks a lot for watching today. This is Chef Politte and you are watching It's Only Food. If this is your first time watching, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right down there in the corner and then hit the little bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well, you clicked on this video to watch me show you how to make a pesto chicken flatbread. So let's head in the kitchen, see what our four ingredients are for this. We have got our chicken breast, we got about a quarter cup of pesto, about 3/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, and one flatbread because I'm here all by my lonesome today and I'm making lunch. So I figured I'd do this, and why not film it while I'm doing it. Alright, let's head in the kitchen and put this together. Okay, so I've got a nice grilled chicken breast here. As you can see in this short little clip here I've got added into this. I had a bunch of chicken breast, so I was thinking about what I was going to do for dinner tonight. I'm going to make a chicken stir fry for when my lovely and fetching Mrs. Politte gets home from work. She'll be able to enjoy a chicken stir fry. But I grilled these off and I figured I can use one of them for a little lunch, and I decided to make a little flatbread pizza with some pesto in there. I did butterfly these, as you can see, because they're kind of fat and I did not want to overcook the outside of them until the middle got cooked, so I just kind of butterflied them. And now I'm going to use this little half of one of the half that I butterflied off. I might not even use all of this. We'll see once we start putting together the flatbread, but I'm going to dice this up really fine. All right, I got my nice diced chicken right there. That's probably going to be more than I need for the little flatbread that we've got, but I will actually use this later tonight if I don't use it on the flatbread. But here's our chicken. Let's transition over to building our flatbread pizza. Well, here's our flatbread. Nice piece of flatbread. You can actually find these in the store. I found this over where the pizza supplies kind of were, where the crusts and things were. I'm going to get my pesto here, and all we're going to basically do is we're going to take our pesto, kind of mix it up too so the oil's not all on top, because then you won't be able to spread it good. And we're just going to take as much as we want, or as little as we want to put on there, and we're going to spread it on and go kind of like a pizza. You want to go about 1/4 inch from the edges. Oh, I love the smell of this. Until you get it fully covered with the sauce, and then you take your cheese, much like a pie, and we're just going to put that on here. Throw a little cheese on the floor for the doggy dog, she likes it. You get that on there as well. Then you're going to take, I'm not going to use all this chicken, that's way too much chicken for a little tiny little snacky pizza here. Take about half of that. There it is. I'm just going to throw this on our pan right here. I have preheated the oven to about 375. Okay, I'll put this in for about 8 minutes. I will check it before then just because I don't trust my oven. But then we'll pull it out and we'll take a look at it. There we go. There's a flatbread. Just came out of the oven. Cheese is nice and melted. It's got a crisp crust. So what we're going to do now, we're going to plate this up. We're going to take some gorgeous pictures of it for social media. We're going to take those photos and put them in the timeline with some really groovy music. And then we're going to come back and we're going to give this a try. So enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. We'll see you on the other side. Got done taking the pictures of it. Threw a little deconstructed cucumber and tomato salad on there with some fresh basil, olive oil, salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese to kind of give it a little height, and then a little balsamic vinaigrette reduction over it to give it some color. Let's transition over to the next shot where we give this a taste. Alright, there it is. One more look at it before I utterly destroy it. That's a lot of chicken on there. We only used half of one of those. So there it is, pesto, mozzarella cheese, flatbread, and a little bit of diced chicken on there. Alright, if you like pesto, this is a winner. A lot of people don't care for pesto, but I do. This is a very good pizza. It goes well with that chicken. You can put the tomato on the flatbread if you want to. Tomatoes and basil are one like a match made in heaven. Basil's always an herb you want to use when you're making anything with tomatoes because it pairs so well. Now that balsamic vinaigrette gave it a little bit of tartness there to bring out all the other flavors and also to contrast the smoothness of the cheese. Cucumber salad, a little bit of basil on top, the chiffonade. This is a very good pizza. I'm gonna get off camera and just chow this down because I got 2 more pieces over there. Very, very good flatbread. Thank you very much for watching. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.